Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Sharing Community, and today we are going to learn IELTS vocabulary, topic work and jobs, part 2. In previous lesson, we learned two groups of vocabulary in this topic, which are types of work and daily routine. If you haven't learned it, you can watch the video by clicking the link below this video. Today, we're gonna learn some new vocabulary which gonna help you to describe about your job. So, let's get started. You know, one of the most efficient way to learn new vocabulary is you need to take note and then to review the vocabulary again and again and try to apply them in practice. So don't forget that. This is list of vocabulary we're going to learn today. Number 1. To be stuck behind a desk. Mean holding a job which is all desk work. For example, in IELTS writing test, sales jobs often involve quite a bit of running around America, which is perfect for those who don't want to be stuck behind a desk under the boss watchful eye. IELTS speaking test, candidates could say, I don't want an office job and spend all day stuck behind a desk. 2. One of the perks of the job. An advantage or something extra, such as money or goods, that you are given because of your job. The examiner may ask you, what do you like most about your job? You could say, in fact, my school is trying to attract good teachers with lucrative income and many good office perks. For me, as an educator, being an inspiration to young talents is one of the perks of the job that I appreciate most. Three, have a heavy workload. Mean when you have a tons of stuff on your to-do list and have to accomplish it within a specific amount of time. 4. Overwhelming workload. Mean have a heavy workload. 5. Hectic schedule. Schedule have full of activity or very busy and fast. 6. Up to my ears in something. Mean completely overwhelmed with work or other responsibilities. 7. Meet the deadline. To finish something by or before it is due. For example, in IELTS speaking part 3, the examiner may ask you, some people say it's better to work for yourself than be employed by a company. What's your opinion? You could say, to be honest, it can be said that working as a full-time employee is really stressful. 2 years ago, I had a hectic schedule and was up to my ears in heavy workloads to meet deadlines when I was working for an international corporation. Therefore, although it is challenging to run my own business, I do feel far more comfortable with it. Number 8. Tempting offer. Tempting is attractive and makes people want to have it. Tempting offer is something attractive that someone says they will give you or do for you, such as high salary or perks. For example, examiner may ask you, Do you work or are you a student? You could say, well, after graduating in economics, I got a very tempting offer from an investment bank and accepted it. I have worked for that bank till now. 9. A minimum wage is the minimum income necessary for a worker to meet their basic needs. For example, government set up a minimum wage level which makes sure that citizens share a standard living level. Number 10. Lucrative job. Lucrative career is job or career that can lead to a lot of profit or wealth. For example, apart from generating lucrative jobs for students, universities also benefit the nation by creating educated societies containing an immense pool of critical thinking individuals who can contribute towards social development by their expertise. A dead-end job. A job in which there is no chance of progressing to a better, more important job. For example, examiner may ask you, describe your job. You could say, well, working as a teacher brings me an immense amount of job satisfaction, which makes me happy all day. I can get out of being stuck in a rut and the dead-end job as an office worker, which I used to be before. Rewarding job. Giving you a good feeling that you have done something valuable, important, etc. Giving you money or profit. For example, what do you like about your job? So you could say, well, working as a teacher is not only a respectable job, but also a rewarding job, which helps me support myself and my family. Moreover, being an inspiration to young talents is one of the perks of the job that I appreciate most. 13. Workaholic. Working most of the time and finds it difficult to stop working in order to do other things. It's also a noun. A person who is addicted to work is called workaholic. A workaholic economy. A workaholic like his father, John worked in the fields from sunup to sundown. A high-powered job. A job that is important and powerful in a company or organization. For example, having a high-powered job is a dream of numerous people in the world. 15. Working long hours. Frequency of long working hours. For example, research is clear that working long hours does not always yield the highest output or efficiency. 16. Hierarchical. A hierarchical system or organization is one in which people have different ranks or positions depending on how important they are. For example, university is the highest layer of hierarchical school system. 17. Pecking-order. Pecking-order of a group is the way that the positions people have are arranged according to their status or power within the group. For example, in many countries, there is a pecking order to the universities, with a few high-status institutions at the top, turning out an intellectual elite and attracting the best minds in teaching and research. 18. Repetitive. Something that is repetitive involves actions or elements that are repeated many times and is therefore boring. 19. Monotonous. Something that is monotonous is very boring because it has a regular, repeated pattern which never changes. 20. Mechanical. To describe something related to machinery or tools. 21. Glamorous. Charmingly or fascinatingly attractive, especially in mysterious or magical way. 22. Unglamorous. 23. Enviable. Enviable things are also desirable that everybody wants them. 24. Soul-destroying. Activities or situations that are soul-destroying make you depressed because they are boring and because there is no hope of improvement. For example, one of the most soul-destroying things is traffic congestion. 25. Irregular and antisocial. Averse to the society of others. For example, pilot is glamorous job. However, the working hours are irregular and antisocial. In the next lesson, we are going to learn the vocabulary about activity in working place. So don't forget to subscribe this channel for more lessons. If you have any question or you need any help, please let me know by commenting below this video. And thank you so much for watching my video and hope you have a great learning time with us today. Bye bye!